Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Days. In today's video we are going to talk about the W coin latest update that they released in their Telegram channel. So let's scroll down and see the update that they have been released for the W coin update. So as you can see, here is the official Telegram channel for W coin, which there has more than 12 million followers. So let's scroll down. So right later again, like they provided a new tax that they have added in partnership with Bitget. So here, as you can see, like new Bitget tax. So let's scroll down for see. So here is the update that they made yesterday, like they said tomorrow. So although right today they didn't like announce anything, but we are really waiting for them to announce like what is happening like right today on 25 on 26. So let's dive into their telegram mini app so that we may see like did they have added a new update or not. So let's go together. So let's open our Telegram mini app for W coin. So let's wait for it to be fully accessible. So let's claim my point. So I've been inactive within like 17 days. Like they have won 113 million in my total point that have been accumulated. So anyway, so I don't bother. So here is the interface of W coin Telegram mini app. So let's see, did they added a new tax related to that update that they made, like they said tomorrow. So let's scroll down and see. So here is the all the active taxes that we have. As you can see, like we have nothing, YouTube, for the listing, active, completed. So let's start with nothing. So nothing, definitely we have to come and play nothing. So something John nothing and X nothing. So something maybe like this nothing, it's just a new Telegram mini app. So let's click on affiliate. So this nothing, it has a related like it has some a mutual related with W coin. So who are you in the world? Shadow, raised nothing. So we are nothing. Let's click on it. What will you bring into nothing? And nothing. Loading. So this nothing, as I understood it, is like some partnership with Void. Like if you win, like if you wish to come and do it, it used to cost like ton or star. So here's the YouTube tax for the listing. So obviously they didn't like provide any new features in this Telegram mini app or W coin. So we don't know. So maybe later they are going to add it. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.